For question 3, look at the MemberInfo class that has members' name, grad year, and has good standing, a constructor, a public int and get grad year, and a public boolean in good standing methods. And you're also looking at the ClubMembers class that contains an array list of member infos, a method you'll implement in Part A, and a method you'll implement in Part B. For question 3b, you're writing the ClubMembers method removeMembers, which takes the following actions. Returns a list of all students who have graduated and are in good standing. A member has graduated if the member's graduation year is less than or equal to the method's year parameter. If no members meet those criteria, an empty list is returned. Removes from member lists all members who have graduated, regardless of whether or not they're in good standing. For the code for 3b, we're writing the removeMembers method. You initialize an initial answer variable. You iterate backwards over the member list. Otherwise, if you iterate forwards, when you remove elements, you'll end up skipping elements. If the current member's grad year less than or equal to year, extract the member. And then if that member is in good standing, add it to answer. Otherwise, all you're doing is extracting and removing it from the member list. Finally, at the end, return your answer variable. I normally make content teaching you how to code in Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.